Are you looking forward to logging into your forum or Facebook app? Then you're on the right video. Today, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily log in into your forum. First thing first, head over to your application forum. It will land you on this page. Well, if you are already logged in into your Facebook application, then your login credentials will be available to you. You can simply click on this Facebook ID and log in, or else tap on Use Another Profile. Tap on Continue. Wait for a while for it to load. Now in this page, enter your login credentials. Enter your phone number or your email address and tap on Continue. After that, enter the password and then tap on Login. After that, your account will be logged in. For now, let me just click on my Facebook ID. And there you go, your account has been logged in. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.